Everyone, we're just gonna quick review and test this 12-volt intelligent pulse repair charger. This one is for car, motorcycle, any acid or other non-acid batteries. This one from Temu, and it has a screen display here. 12 repairs, repair, and this is 8 amp. And this is the manual instruction here, user manual. Okay, let's test it. So this one, positive. Negative. Even without plug-in, it shows here 12.7 volt to 22 Celsius. This is the temperature of the battery. Now we're just gonna plug it in. You hear that sound? It has a fan. So right now it's charging. Here you see the voltage input, amp, 1.5 amp, temperature 15 volt, 4.3 amps, and keep changing as you see here. 14 volt, 4.2 amp, 23 Celsius, and so on. So it's pretty good charger, looks okay. Now even if you unplug it, if you unplug this, and now we can see the temperature and the voltage of the battery. Plug it again. Let's do this one. Here it says mode. So you can press for car, other battery, motorcycle, or plus, wherever it's gonna be. So this is for car. Plug it in again. You can change it also from here. Here, a pulse. It says pulse. See? So this is pulse, and those are the 3 mode. It works pretty good. Lightweight. It has a fan, cooling fan. It shows the battery and everything, and it's pretty good device. I recommend this. Really cool. Thank you so much for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next time.